Hi guys, welcome to Geology today. This video will show you how to recognize andesite as an art specimen in 1 minute. Andesite is an aluminosilicate mineral which form under low to medium temperature and pressure where argillaceous rocks are exposed to regional and contact metamorphism. It is a rock-forming mineral commonly found in schist, gneiss, and hornfel. Minor of it are found in granite and granitic pegmatite. It has hardness of 6.5 to 7.5, its specific gravity of 3.17, color greenish brown, yellowish green, pinkish brown, orangey brown, white, gray. It has many uses, among which are it's used to make heat-resistant brick, ceramic objects, used in steel making and metal processing, industry, chemicals, glass, and ceramic varieties. Andesite have a chemical formula of Al2SiO5. Please guys, review, drop your comments.